In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off work offline mode in Microsoft Outlook. If your emails aren't sending or your inbox isn't updating, there's a good chance Outlook is set to work offline. I'll show you how to switch back online in both Classic Outlook and the new Outlook interface so you can get your messages flowing again. First, a quick note on what working offline means. This mode tells Outlook to stop connecting to your mail server. It can be helpful on a plane or when you want to review messages without syncing, but if it's left on, you won't receive new email or send any messages in your outbox. The fix is simple, and it just depends on which Outlook you're using. Let's start with Classic Outlook. Open Classic Outlook on your computer. Look at the bottom status bar of the window. If you see Working Offline, that confirms Outlook isn't connected. To switch back, go to the top menu and click the Send Receive tab. In the Preferences section, find the button labeled Work Offline. When offline mode is active, that button is usually highlighted. Click it once to turn it off. Outlook will immediately try to reconnect, and you should see the status bar change to something like Trying to Connect, followed by Connected. Give it a few seconds if your connection is slow. Once connected, any emails waiting in your outbox should start sending automatically, and your inbox will refresh. If you still see Working Offline, click the button again to make sure it toggled, and confirm your internet connection is stable. Now, if you're using the new Outlook, the steps are slightly different. Click the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. In the left navigation, go to General, then select Offline. You'll see an option called Enable Offline Email, Calendar, and People. Toggle that setting to off. When you're done, click Save to apply the change. Outlook will switch back to online mode and begin syncing your mail and calendar again. This setting is useful when you want to control whether Outlook stores data for offline access, so you can return and re-enable it later if you need to work without an internet connection. And that's it. Thanks for watching.